Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting straight to pairing. Make sure your AirPods Pro have some charge and the case is open. On your Samsung, go to Settings, then Connections, then Bluetooth so the phone is actively scanning. Once the case is open, press and hold the Setup button on the back until the LED flashes white. This tells your AirPods they are in pairing mode. Keep the case near your phone, about 6 inches, so the radios can exchange signals quickly and reliably. Once the AirPods appear in the Samsung device list, tap their name to initiate pairing. This is the actionable tap that completes the handshake. If the phone asks for permissions, allow access for calls or media so features work properly. After pairing, make sure the Bluetooth entry reads "Connected" for audio. Play a short test clip to confirm left and right audio. If one bud fails, remove and reinsert it into the case, then reopen for a quick retry to refresh the link. Finish by tailoring sound and controls. Go into Bluetooth details for your AirPods Pro and adjust touch functions and call routing so the buds behave the way you expect. Once done, use media volume and equalizer settings on Samsung to balance audio. This improves clarity and battery behavior. If you run into problems, dropouts, one bud silent, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.